All right, so today we're going to test out this Konnwei, I don't know how you pronounce this thing, battery tester. This battery in this Jeep's been driving me nuts for a while, so we're going to test it out. Let's put this here so you can see it better. Click this on here and see what it says about this battery. All right, can you see that? We're going to go to check. In vehicle, yes. Battery test, yes. Check surface. Turn headlights on for 10 seconds. All right, stay here. And that was about 10 seconds, right? All right, so now we're going to, we're going to just keep hitting things here. It's an AGM. I don't know if it's a flat plate or a spiral. Let's go with flat plate. I don't know. Cold cranking amps. Really supposed to know this? Let's say that's probably, let's go with 800 and something. This is going to take a long time. Bear with me here. What is it doing? Come on, baby. I don't know what it's doing here. I tested some other little battery I had, so sorry about that. I have to fast forward through this. Look at this. It only goes up like little tiny thingies here. We're going to go to like 850 and stop, just because I'm tired of hitting this button. All right, let's stay there. Oops. Testing. Now, state of health, look at that. It says is 97%. But state of charge is only at 29%. So is that telling me that this battery is healthy, just not charged? That's pretty bizarre, huh? That's really bizarre. Why is it only at 29%? I'm thinking this thing may have a parasitic draw. I don't really know. That's not good. I was hoping to see the state of health of the battery wasn't good. So why is it at 29%? I mean, I haven't driven this Jeep in days. That's bizarre. Don't know. Any advice? I'm going to test my other Jeep. All right, stay here. That's a good observation if you're noticing both these Jeeps are the same, because they are. Although these battery terminals are different. All right, so I'm going to go to check. Oh, can you see that? Check. In-vehicle battery test. All right, we'll turn on the lights again. Just do this right, I guess, right? So we did that. Turn lights off, yes. Hit enter. Again, we're going to go with flat plate AGM. I don't really know. Leave it at 850. Now it says this battery state of health is 80% and 31% charged. That's whacked, huh? So how charged should a battery be that's sitting in your vehicle? I feel like testing my other Jeep now. I don't know if you guys can see that display. I hope you can. But it says state of health is 80% and state of charge is 31%. It says good recharge. I'm not sure this gave me any good information. So I need some thoughts. All right, later. I don't know.